ceiling is warping with all.
Had to turn the lights off. The water is coming through the light switch. Look at this. Look at my floors. Look at this. Everywhere.
Shut up, man.
Hold on. Curtain completely drenched from top to bottom. The whole floor. All the way into the bathroom. It's making its way to the second bathroom. Have most of the lights off to avoid. Look at this. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at this. I cleaned up as much water as I could, but I'm fighting a losing battle here. Look at this water everywhere. Water. That's the dirt coming out of the carpets. This is where most of it started. Second bedroom. I've taken all the furniture out, well, covered whatever I could. But this carpet is even worse, where you can see. I tried to put plastic on the windows to divert some of the water back outside, but it's still leaking some of it through. And it's starting to come from upstairs now. That's why I covered the furniture, to protect it from what's coming from upstairs. The ceiling is going to give way. The kitchen is flooded. It's going into the living room. Into the dining area. And wherever I walk, you can see where my foot sinks into water. It's headed out to the living room and dining room. I tried. Maintenance said there's nothing they can do, and said I have 20 other people ahead of me, so I'm just stuck dealing with this all night on my own.